Okay. In the last video of derivation modes, we concluded up to private mode of inheritance. Now this program is giving the implementation of protected mode of inheritance. I'm taking the same example of student class. Again, student class is having three sections: private, protected and public. In the private section, again we have roll number, protected will have section, and public is having get roll number and show roll number. But now this program has a difference difference in the derivation mode. Earlier it was private and now it is protected mode of derivation. As we have seen in the last video lecture that what happens in protected mode of derivation, the public and protected members of base class are going to the protected section of the derived class. So now here also the same thing will happen. The protected and public members, protected member section and public members get roll number and show roll number will be stayed in the protected section of result class. Although protected section is not written here, but internally it will be stayed in the protected section of result class. So again, we are not able to access them with the help of object of derived class in the main function, because we know protected members are not accessible outside of the class, or we can say in the main function. They are only accessible in derived class as well as base class. So you can see in the main function again, if you create object of your derived class, you are able to access get data and display. We cannot access get roll number and show roll number, as they are now again the part of protected section of the class. But still we are calling them inside the public member functions of the derived class because they are accessible there, or they are also accessible in some other class if you inherit the features of result class into some other class. In private mode of inheritance, if the features are placed in the private section of derived class, further they are not inheritable. So this is the drawback of private mode of inheritance. But here this drawback is not there. Why? Because the members which are coming from the base class, they are kept in the protected section of result class. So further we can inherit them. Thank you.